Good day. I'm Giancarlo Untalan. The title of the research is Leveraging Human-Robot Interaction in Hospitality Services, incorporating the role of perceived value, empathy, and information sharing into visitors' intentions to use social robots. This study was conducted by Ronan de Kervenuel, Rajibul Hassan, Alexander Schwab, and Edwin Go. The goal of the study was to understand what drives people's intentions to use social robots in hospitality. The researchers wanted to know how empathy, information sharing, and perceived value contribute to this intention. To answer this, they combined the traditional technology acceptance model with elements of service quality and human robots interaction models. They didn't just guess, they tested a conceptual framework with actual visitors and validated it using real organizational contexts. The researchers also wanted to know how human emotions like empathy and the robot's ability to share information influence visitor behavior, so they used a detailed model that included both emotional and technical factors. The researchers used a mixed method design, both qualitative and quantitative. They surveyed 443 visitors in Singapore's hospitality settings, hotels, and food centers using robots. They also interviewed 5 hospitality managers to get deeper insights. The survey measures constructs like perceived value, intention to use, empathy, ease of use, usefulness, and information sharing using a 5-point Likert scale. Statistical analysis was done through structural equation modeling or SEM using partial least squares or PLS. This allowed them to see how different variables influence each other. They validated the results through bootstrapping with 5,000 samples, tested for reliability, and controlled for demographic variables like age, gender, and education. The study found that perceived value is the biggest predictor of whether visitors will use our social robot. Other important factors were empathy and information sharing. When robots showed empathy and could interact meaningfully, visitors were more likely to trust and use them. Interestingly, people didn't prefer overly human-looking robots. They favored functional designs, robots that served a purpose like delivering food or cleaning. The model explained 71.8% of the variation in intention to use, which is very high for this kind of study. Managers also said that that robots are not meant to replace people, but to support employees and improve service. One manager even said the robots created a wow factor that helped with social media visibility and customer engagement. This article matters to me because my dream job is in hotel industry. It shows how technology and human values like empathy can work together. It taught me that great service isn't just about machines. It's about people feeling seen and understood, even by robots.